So nandito tayo sa HPA na enterprise server at we have the host here. We can diagnose. Nasa smart storage feature tayo, and we are using smart array P440AR which is a RAID controller or HPA controller. Then we installed 2 solid state drive na SATA lang. Technically mas mabilis sana at mas reliable yung SAS, but we only have SSD, so better na rin yan SATA. So dito, to have it in a smart array, para gagawin siya, hindi kasi dyan magbuboot ng basta-basta. So what we need to do is to configure it, then let's create a logical drive. Enable smart array mode para mag-appear yung, okay, since hindi naman natin kailangan yan. We enable smart array mode muna. Yan yung serial number, then to internal max performance, yung mode power nila. So restart muna natin. So yun, nasa na tayo, nag-restart lang tayo. So the options for configure is now available, meaning we can now create RAID logical drives. So we've seen na may physical drive, may unassign, so yun. Then create an array lang, select all of this drive, then create an array. So gagawa tayo ng RAID 1 configuration. Anong ibig sabihin ng RAID 1? May backup siya. Kung baga yung isang disk A mo and disk B mo, masira yung disk B, may disk A ka pa. So mabilis yung read niyan since dalawa sila, yung write same nga lang kasi you are writing to this at time. So yan, default lang natin, create logical drive, and yes mo lang. Decision will be performed on the process, may take long and cause application to appear. So technically the total usable space is 1.8, but sa atin on our usage sa data natin, it's like yung 2 terabyte mo naging 931 lang kasi may backup nga. We are using the Bay 1 and Bay 2. So finish, click finish lang. Yan. So we're done. So technically we have a logical drive within array A, 1 logical drive using this Bay 1 and Bay 2. So yun, ready na tayo to install any hypervisor, like in our case, ang ESXi, VMware ng ESXi. So exit lang natin to, then okay.
iTeam and PH, like, comment, and follow.